Hey, it's me, KC. Welcome to Keep Cooking KC. I hope you find this video pretty helpful. Yeah, that's really embarrassing. That's how I live my life. Finger guns. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Yeah, put them back in my holster now. Thanks. Hey guys, it's KC from KeepCookinKC. Today we are making chicken and biscuits because it's my husband's favorite and it's his birthday. Sometimes I like to throw him a biscuit. Like a bone biscuit. You get it? Alright, let's roll. Alright guys, so after we've cut and cleaned it, we've seasoned it, we've seared it on both sides, and it's cooked the whole way through, we let it rest for like 8 to 10 minutes. What this does is it makes sure to hold all the juices in, so when you cut it, the juices don't all run out. It's cooked all the way through, but it's not dried out. When you cut it, when you're slicing it, so we want it in kind of thinner pieces, not crazy thin, but like, you know, maybe like, I'm horrible with measurement like that. So you just slice it on a slant. It's a little bit easier. I'm not really sure if that's what they teach you or not in school or anything like that. That I just picked that up by trying it. So with these chicken and biscuits, I am not a baker. The lady I work with has been trying to teach me how to make biscuits for probably 8 years, and I go to the store and buy a can because it's way easier and I'm better at it. Dude, it tells me how to do it. So preheat that oven, get it ready to roll, and toss your biscuits in. That's it. What you see I'm gonna do is I'm taking the pan that had the chicken in it, and I'm taking all those, like all the grease and all that from it, and I'm just pouring it right into the pot that we're gonna cook the gravy for the big chicken and biscuits. It gives it a little bit more flavor, and then also, I don't know why, but for some reason I didn't get probably from having kids, I didn't get a shot of using any bouillon, or chicken stock. Preferably chicken stock if you have it. If you don't though, just throw a bouillon cube in some water, boiling water, you know, mix it up, pour it in. You probably need about a cup of it, so go ahead and do that, and then you'll see like we're using milk, we're using salt, pepper, and then flour. So you'll notice in some of my videos I use a sifter to sift the flour into my gravy. I do that because it does two things. One, it makes it a little easier to control the thickness. So instead of like just, you know, trying to dump in gravy, you know, and stirring, it's just a little wee bit at a time, and as you're stirring, like you can start to see it get thicker easier. I also do it because it helps prevent lumps. I hate lumpy gravy because it just tastes like crap. So once you pull out your homemade biscuits, yeah, that's right, secret recipe, Berry. Just let them cool off a little, then open them up, throw some chicken and some gravy on them. Our family actually makes mashed potatoes with it too. So you can always put those on the list as well if you want. Totally up to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been Casey, Keep Cooking KC. You can always subscribe. You'll see that little head pop up, like either here or here. I don't know. I feel really backwards, so definitely. But hit the head, wherever it is. We'll see you next time. All right. Bye, guys.